Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here we have to tap on Language and Input and tap on Languages at the very first position. As you can see here, we've got two different languages applied. We've got English and Russian. If you'd like to add another, just tap on Add a Language. And here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So that was a misclick. Let me add a language again, and all you have to do is simply tap on the language you'd like to apply. So let me pick, for example, French. Let's tap on it. Here we can choose the region, so just tap on the region you'd like to apply, and as you can see here, we've got our language added to our list, but you can still see that the English is a main language, so actually nothing changed. So in order to set our new language as a main one, you have to tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position above the English. And as you can see, within few seconds, the whole system, the whole menu from now on will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again, because I'm not really good in French. So simply tap on the English, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, the language immediately changes. So actually this is how to change the language, and now I can show you how to remove the languages from this list, because for some reason you do not need them here. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon, tap on remove, and mark all of those which you'd like to remove. Tap on the trash bin icon, tap on OK, and as you can see, they immediately disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.